Hello! In this detailed tutorial, I'll show you precisely how to make an origami box just like this particular one, which is widely known as the basic box. We'll need 2 letter-size sheets of paper, either the same color or different colors, a ruler and scissors. We'll start by carefully making the lid. Take the letter-size sheet of paper and align the top edge with the left edge. Then, firmly crease the fold. Once that's done, cut off the excess. Now, you have a square shape like this. Now, carefully fold the top right corner down to the bottom left corner. Crease the fold firmly once it's perfectly aligned. When you open it up, you clearly have this. 2 distinct diagonal creases forming an X. Then, take the bottom right corner and gently fold it toward the very center. Once it's precisely aligned, crease the fold again. You need to repeat this process with each of the corners. The result will look like this. Fold the right side toward the center. Once it's properly there, carefully crease the fold, then flip the figure completely over like this and proceed to do the same thing again. The result will be 4 vertical sections. Turn them so they're horizontal and repeat the process. Fold the right edge of the paper toward the exact center and then firmly crease it. Then, carefully flip it over and proceed to do the very same thing again on the other side. You should now have a grid pattern. Take the triangles on the right and left edges and open them up. Fold the top and bottom edges inward carefully and precisely. Next, we work with the left corner. We're going to fold it upward, like this. Let me explain slowly. Pay attention to the creases. On the third one, that's where we'll align the bottom edge upward. Crease the fold, and then carefully do the same on the third crease but fold it slightly downward. Repeat the same steps on the left side. On the third crease, carefully fold it smoothly upward and then gently downward. Open up the figure and hold it like this. Turn it so that you can see it vertically and gently bring these diagonals together so they meet precisely in the center. Once you have them like this, carefully fold the excess at the top inward and firmly crease the fold. Great, now we have half of the box done. Now we need to do precisely the same on the other side. Bring the diagonals carefully toward the very center like this, and then gently push the excess material inward, completely out of sight. Carefully crease the fold and then gently shape the box. And that's it, we finished the lid. Now let's move on to the step-by-step for the base. Repeat the initial steps to make a square. Once you finish cutting off the excess, fold the figure in half. Position it like this. We're going to work with the top part. Make marks on both sides at ½ centimeter. Use a ruler and a pencil to help you. Then, connect them with a horizontal line. We're going to cut out this area. Open up the figure and you'll have this a square that's a little smaller than the previous one. To assemble the base, follow exactly the same steps as in the previous procedure. Once you've finished folding, you'll have the base. Now take the lid and try it. It should fit perfectly. Make as many as you want in different sizes and colors. Use them to store a gift or any other object.
That's it, we are done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to please subscribe and kindly share this video with all your friends and family.